That'll be for Aaron and them, right? Because that one that Eli can.
Oh, hey, can you take a shot for us, bro? Awesome, man. Oh, he's gonna come take us a shot. Save the day.
Wolverines. There it is. This is bad news. My God.
Falling out right now.
Anything could happen. Get on! Wow. I'll watch the video later. They dry mop in this. Beast. July 19th. We are entering the beast. Holy fuck, look at her, boys. She's gonna rock. Holy fucking severe storm. Here we go. Oh, yeah, man. Listen to that.
Oh, did you saw that?
I seen that.
His hammer.
Yeah, seen that one. Holy, look at in there, man.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. We're gonna come into a hailer. Look at these big fat drops already. We're punching in. Fucking thing is jacked. Yeah. Wham, lightning. Yeah, we literally can't go fucking fast in this. It's not safe. Holy fuck. Fucking rocks bouncing. We got a big hail. It's got bigger rocks than this in this storm. Fucking look at them. Throwing dime-sized hail. Into the hail core. Holy fuck. Jesus. For a BC thunderstorm, that's impressive. This is prairie shit. Holy. Oh yeah. It gets much bigger than this, sweet.
I'm jealous.
Ah, you're two behind the trees, buddy. Why wasn't I filming first time you flew over? I suck at recording stuff. Come on, bank left, bank left. There he is. Fucking awesome. They always look so small on a video.
Side by side.
I know.